Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate and localize your website into many different languages. As you can see here, I have 4 buttons here. They are in English: Home, Dashboard, Logout, and Login. And I already created a PHP script here to localize this web page into my language, which is Bahasa Indonesia. So how to use this script? Let's open this index.php file here. First we are going to let's go to body tag and add a PHP script here. Here we need to create a variable that contains the language ID. I call the variable weblang. Let me look at this script. Sitelang. So we need to create a sitelang variable here, and by default we need to set it to English. EN for English. Then we include the script. Include copy and paste the script file here. So by default it is English. Now it is English, so we need to translate it to Bahasa Indonesia. EN, we need to change it to ID. Let me modify this diffs first. So to use the translation function in this script, let's open it. We need to use this. We need to call this method UIlang. We need to run PHP script here, PHP function here, PHP UIlang. We need to do it this way. So we are going to cut this text home and paste it here inside the UIlang method and click save. Let's talk about this one first. Save this page, this file, and refresh this page. Now because the sitelang is English already, we did not see anything change here. Let's change it to ID. ID for Bahasa Indonesia. Here I have Bahasa Indonesia ID. You can see ID here. Now let's refresh the page. Now it is changed to Beranda. Let's continue modifying the other buttons. So I'm going to copy this part and paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here. I cut and paste this part to this part. Let's save it. Now if we refresh the browser, everything is translated to Bahasa Indonesia. So let's say we are going to translate all of them to, for example, French. Let me change it to FR, and here we need to add the new language. I copy this part. Let's copy this part and paste it here, and let's change it to French. Now we need to change it to FR. Then we need to create another translate function or method here, and we change it to FR. Now we need to find out the translation, the French translation of these 4 words. let's go to Google Translate. Let's change it to French. Copy and paste it here. Oops. Copy and paste it here. Copy and paste it here. Copy and paste it here. Copy. I don't know is it correct translation or not, but at least you know how it works. It is just an example. Okay, now I already add a translate function for French, and we forgot to change it to FR. Now we have two languages here in this website. Let's refresh the page. Refresh. Now it is in French. Change it to ID. Save it and refresh the page. Now it is in Bahasa Indonesia, and change it to EN, the default language, and then it is in English. Let me create links here in the bottom. This links is to change site language. English, French, Bahasa Indonesia. Now we are going to add a link tag. Let's do the same thing for the rest of links, and close it with a tag. Change it with the language ID FR ID. Now here we need to check the situation here. If is set get and then we set the set lang let's duplicate it 2 times, change it to ID I know it is not perfect, you can improve it yourself. Let's save it and refresh this browser. 25. Okay, we need to add another. Okay, refresh it again. Okay, 26. Now I fixed it. Refresh. If you click this link, you can change the language of the website. Let's click French. Okay, FR. Okay, we need to move this include after the if statements. Refresh it again, change it to FR. Let's change it this way. Okay, now you click English, it is now in English. Click French to change it to French, and click Bahasa Indonesia to change it to Bahasa Indonesia. Let's translate this part too. So I'm going to go here and add a PHP script UI lang like this. Close this PHP script, and now we need to copy this part, go to the script, and we need to duplicate this one, replace the login word to like this, bahasa situs, and duplicate that one and paste it here, copy and paste it here. We need to change it to French version of this word. Okay, and paste it here. Now refresh the site. We already have the fully functioning PHP Localize and Translate method or script here. English, French, Bahasa Indonesia. You can download my script from my GitHub page for free, and let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time.